Today, I'll guide you through the process of addressing the code limit has been reached issue, a seemingly straightforward task. Apple Music imposes restrictions on the number of times a specific code, be it a trial offer, gift card, or subscription code, can be redeemed within a given period. This measure is in place to prevent misuse and ensure a fair distribution of benefits. Firstly, recognize that some codes are tied to individual accounts, allowing redemption only once per account. To troubleshoot, double-check that you're entering the correct code without any typos or errors. Additionally, verify that the code is still valid and hasn't expired or been used previously. If uncertainties persist, contacting the code provider to confirm its validity is a prudent step. Take a moment to review the code restrictions and acquaint yourself with any associated terms and conditions, shedding light on usage limits and eligibility requirements. If you're confident in the code's validity and the error persists, reaching out to Apple support becomes necessary. Their assistance can delve into account-specific issues or potential technical glitches. Consider trying a different, unused code if available. This alternative approach might resolve the issue. Alternatively, explore subscribing to Apple Music using alternative payment methods, such as credit cards, debit cards, or other available options. These steps should help you navigate and overcome the code limit has been reached challenge seamlessly.